Well, big breaking news now coming in. The Enforcement Directorate has filed a caveat petition in the Supreme Court. In an application filed by Arvind Kejriwal, the ED has stated that the Supreme Court should hear ED before coming into any conclusive decision on the plea filed by the Delhi Chief Minister. Big breaking news coming in the liquor policy case that's scheduled to be heard. ED filing a caveat petition in the Supreme Court over the plea filed by Arvind Kejriwal. The Enforcement Directorate has said and appealed to the top court to hear it before coming into any conclusive decision. We have Rakshita and Deepak joining us live from outside the ED office. Rakshita, what is the next course of action that the ED is stated to take?
Yes, Kriti, well, ED has filed a caveat petition in the Supreme Court. Now, what is a caveat, if we just could simplify? It's a caution or a warning that is issued as a notice to the Supreme Court that it must, before taking any step, it should hear the party lodging this caveat. So, simply, it's the ED trying to say that they should be heard first before the court today, before the Rouse Avenue Court passes any order today in favor or against or in connection with this case as far as Arvind Kejriwal is concerned. And if I could just quote, the ED has said that the Supreme Court should hear the ED before coming into any conclusive decision. So remember, we do not know exactly what the ED will say when it's given a chance in the court, but we do know as per sources that the Delhi Chief Minister has not been cooperating on several of the questions that have been posed before him by the agency, especially on the South Lobby and the names that have been taken before him. He has remained silent and he has not been cooperating as per the sources concerned in the Enforcement Directorate. And this could be one of the things that could be mentioned, argued before the court by the Enforcement Directorate. So this is something that is a caveat. And remember, this could last from 90 days from the filing. It can be filed at any stage of the proceeding. So this, of course, is a precautionary measure that is taken because the ED is fully prepared. Remember, Kirti, this is something that the ED is not at all taking lightly. It has itself well prepared for this case, and investigating a sitting Chief Minister, of course, is a task cut out for them. And they are on the job, and they will be continuing to argue before the court.